Hello guys, we're making another video here, and today we're making paper airplanes, and yeah. So remember the potato squad? So like we can make paper airplanes for our potato airlines. So we can make paper airplanes. So I'm just gonna teach you two paper airplanes how to fold it. Okay, so first one, I made it up. So first you have to fold it the hot dog style. So yeah, do that. And then get the hot dog, like a hot dog. And then unfold it. Now you're just gonna make it like a regular paper airplane, but it's not going to be regular. So so it's like this, and yeah, and then after that, bring this down to the down to the bottom here, and make it at the edge right here. And then you do the same thing. Fold it and like this. So fold it back and forth like this. So like you do this and then you fold it like that. Okay, now you see this thing right here. This thing. Put it up. So you have to lift it up. And then make it like facing like the white side, nothing here, and then just fold it not towards you, the opposite of towards you, and then yeah, so and then you just like do the normal paper airplane ending like this. You can see here, like here, and then do the same thing on the other side, like this, right here, and then do it again so it can fly better. Do it on the other side too. Make it, yeah. So if it doesn't fly that good, so this is how you fly it. So you hold it from right here. Hold it and you fly it. And then, so if it doesn't really fly that good, put this like this, and then do this, and then just like squeeze it as hard as you can. Really, really hard. And then now it's going to be better. Because, yeah. So I call this the jet. And yeah, you should probably make it. And yeah, so you can decorate it, and yeah, you can make decorations. You can make like you can create a logo too if you want to. Yeah. Okay, second airplane. That's pretty easy. You have to do I think this horizontal like this, and then you have to fold like 1 inch of the paper, like maybe that much, and then that much, about 1 inch, and then do it repeatedly on that page, repeatedly until about you get this much of paper left. And then next, you fold it. Okay, you turn the page. Nothing there. you fold it outside, not towards you, and then and then fold it. Oopsie, messed up. It's pretty hard to fold because it's thick. So like this, flatten it, and then fold it about 1 inch down. After this, it will look like this. And then after this, you see the ends of the wings. Fold it about like 3/4 of an inch, and then do that to the other side too, so it can fly evenly, go straight. So I call this a glider, and it glides in like it turns in a circle like this, looks like that. Yeah, if you do it right. Yeah. So these are the 2 airplanes for our Patoo the Potato Squad. And yeah, I hope you subscribe and like. Bye. Explosion. Oh no.